Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to create and execute a shell script in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So shell script is like a batch file in Windows operating system. So it contains many commands or many tasks in a single file. So shell script file will end with the extension .sh. So .sh is the extension of the shell script file. So now I am creating one shell script file using Vim editor, vim welcome.sh. So in here I am typing some commands. So the shell script file will execute all these commands. So like a batch file in Windows operating system. Okay, so save the file. So now you can see that welcome.sh is got created, but there is one problem. We need some execution permission, LSF and LTR. You can see that there is no execution permission, only read write permission is there. Execution permission is mandatory for welcome for shell script file. So this is the command to set the execution permission. chmod plus x space welcome.sh will give you the execution permission for this file. You can see that color of the file name also changed to green color, which shows that it has some execution permission. Okay, let me execute the shell script. So this is the way we need to execute the shell script. / shell script file name or sh space shell script file name. So once again I am showing / welcome.sh sh space welcome.sh. So this is the way we need to execute the shell script file. So this is the way we need to create and execute shell script file in CentOS.